Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and it is been a little bit since I've done a video like this, but the sun is brightly shining in my window, so pardon the weird kind of an angle, but I don't think it's too bad. I have a few things that I'm going to do different videos of, and I will do them one after the other, so you'll see my face and shirt looking kind of the same, but they'll probably be posted on different days, just so you know. But the first thing that I want to unbox is Boxycharm. So let's see what we got this month. I still haven't looked to see if this is a monthly thing, and I think it is. It feels monthly because I feel like I get them quite often. I don't even know if I've had a chance to use everything from last month yet. But let's see, the first thing it has in here is Boxy Bash. And then it tells you a little bit about each product, and it does have a 20% off code for Cover FX and a 15% off for Pure, the Complexion Authority. So I will read these to you after I show you what they are. So looks like the first thing that I have is Blurring Primer by Color FX. The blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless airbrush look. Apply every morning on a clean face, ideal to prime skin for foundation. Okay. Has a little safety thing on it. I want to see if it's like a lotion or... Oh, it's colored like a foundation. I don't know if you can see that. Let's just put it on my hand right here. It's very smooth. Oh my goodness. It kind of feels like that IT primer stuff. Oh man, that is nice. I like the way that it feels. If I take my finger that I put it on with and rub my hand, it feels really smooth. If I take a different finger and rub it, it feels like my skin, which isn't that smooth. So let's see, this Color FX, it says, a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections. I can use that. Creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. The retail price of this is $38. Whoo, yeah, that's pricey. But if it works, that's pretty exciting. And then I have a nice angled brush by Aesthetica. I'm not going to open this because I don't really need it right now, so I'm just going to leave it in this, and I might even use that as a regift because there's a couple other brushes in here in just a second. This is the P12 face brush. It's with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. $27 is the price for that. And then there's these three, which it looks like a little like mascara wand or eyebrow thing. And then this one is a really, well, you can see it better in there than I can see it through here. And then a little angled thin brush. And let's see, these are also by Aesthetica, 3-piece eye trio. The Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. Manufacturer retail price, $45. So I would never spend that on these, but this could be a nice little gift set for someone. So I'm going to leave that like that because I am not needing it. And then this is interesting. Pretty Vulgar, the ink. Now I love crafting and I love ink. Oh my goodness, do I love ink. And I have some ink like this that you dip a fountain pen in. So this looks like that, and this makes me excited for that reason, but I am sure that's not what this is. This is Pretty Vulgar, the Ink Gel Eyeliner. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. And it is $24. This a little bit reminds me of my IT eyeliner. Yes, it's not liquidy at all. I was kind of thinking it would be, but it is smooth in there, and then you just take your brush, and which is kind of cool that they gave us brushes. But I might just do that as a whole set and do this together to someone. That would be a really nice gift, I think, because I don't need it. I have my IT eyeliner that I love, but I don't wear very often, so I mean, it will probably take me my lifetime to finish that one. And then it looks like last I have this matte lip gloss. And I wonder if it has another thing on here. I wonder. Oh, I'm lying. There is something else in here. Okay, I was like, wait a minute. Okay, so this Beauty Creations liquid lip gloss, manufacturer retail price is $10. Beauty Creations matte liquid lip gloss is specifically formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. And it is by Boxycharm, and it's in the color Sweetheart. And this is what it looks like. And it's kind of a rose. I'm going to leave it on there to see what happens. I'm also going to leave it in the box in case I decide to gift it to my daughter. I don't know. It's not a bad color. I think I like it. But if it comes off easily, I won't wear it. I am kind of stuck on my regular one. So this is a Sculptor Palette by Pure. And it's a 4-shade sculpting palette that features I don't know how to open it. Oh, there. That features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave your skin, oh goodness, sorry, sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. It's got stickers on it. Ugh. So let me read that again to you guys. A 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. So let's see what this offers. If we can ever open it up. My goodness gracious. There we go. And it has a mirror, so I'll cover that up. And it has this, and I'll take that off. So there are the different colors. Woo-wee, I can't imagine using something like those. I don't know. I don't know how to do that. And the mirror says you are the sculptor of your own destiny. And they're called the originator, the trailblazer, the founder, and the inventor. This is definitely going to be gifted because I don't know how to use this, nor will I ever use it to its proper use. So, and this is a $30 manufacturer retail price. So, I mean, it's pretty cool. I think it's neat. I love this. I do love getting Boxycharm. I enjoy seeing what is, you know, in each package and all of that. And I don't know, maybe I'm just thinking gifts right now as to, you know, what I want to do. But I'm just not that excited about these myself. But I am excited as gifts because I think that they're pretty cool. I just know that personally I will not use them. So I'm probably just going to leave them in my Boxycharm box. And okay, so here's this. That is pretty cool. I mean, it does come off, but I am trying hard to get it off. I am liking that. And I am not kidding. That area where I put that stuff, now I'm keeping that. It is super soft and super nice. So yeah, I'm liking that stuff. And anything to help with some wrinkles, I'm liking. So there's that. So thank you guys for watching. I think that Boxycharm is fun. It's a monthly subscription. I ordered a year's worth, so I'm just continuing to get them for a year. And then I don't know if I will renew or not. I do have a lot of samples and stuff that I need to try to use, so I'm not sure. But it is fun, especially with this, because I mean, I think personally I am excited about giving this to somebody because I think this is a great gift and I think somebody would be excited to get it. So I think that's cool. So thanks guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.